One question clients frequently have for me is whether ICBC has an obligation to fully compensate them for their injuries. While the law requires ICBC to act in good faith, the truth is that in many cases they do not. For instance, while the law says you are entitled to be repaid for reasonably necessary medical expenses incurred as a result of the accident, regardless of who's at fault, it will be up to an individual adjuster to decide whether a particular course of treatment is in fact reasonably necessary. They can easily refuse to pay for the treatment, claiming the medical evidence does not establish it is necessary. If they refuse to do so, there is very little that you can do short of retaining a lawyer and filing a lawsuit to obtain the benefits that you are entitled to. This is one of the many reasons why you should consult a personal injury lawyer if you've been injured in an accident. Often, the knowledge that you are represented by a lawyer and the fact that ICBC faces a potential lawsuit if they continue to be unreasonable on these issues can motivate ICBC to provide you with coverage you are entitled to. It is also important to note that when you are suing the other driver who is at fault for your accident, ICBC has no obligation to you. Their only obligation is to defend the defendant driver, as they must pay for any judgment that you are entitled to. When negotiating a settlement, their goal is to minimize their obligation to that driver. They have absolutely no duty to ensure you get the highest award possible in such a lawsuit, and their interests are in fact the opposite. This is why a personal injury lawyer working for you is necessary to ensure you receive the maximum amount possible for your claim.